Why savings aren't enough in the UAE. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial financial topic, why simply saving your money isn't enough here in the UAE. We will explore why a sound investment strategy is essential and why stock market investing could be a game changer for you. Also stay tuned to know the easiest way to get NIN number to start investing in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. This video is specifically for Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. We will make a separate video for Dubai stock market. So let's get started. In the UAE, the cost of living is quite high and inflation can quickly erode the value of your savings. Let's say you save 10,000 dirhams today. Due to inflation, in 5 years, that amount won't have the same purchasing power. This is why just saving money in a bank account isn't sufficient for long-term financial security. To combat inflation and grow your wealth, investing is the way to go. There are various investment options available, such as real estate, bonds, mutual funds, and stocks. Each has its own risk and return profile, but today we will focus on stock market investing. Stock market investing has historically provided higher returns compared to traditional saving accounts. By investing in stocks, you are essentially buying a piece of a company and sharing in its profits. Over time, the stock market tends to grow, offering the potential for significant returns. However, stock market investing isn't without risk. Here are some precautions to keep in mind before starting investing in stock market. Number 1 is do your research. Understand the companies you are investing in. If you are new to channel, I have made a specific video about how to identify high-paying dividend stocks. Companies pay dividend annually, biannually, whereas some companies pay dividend quarterly. Watch this video to identify which stocks are paying high dividends. Diversify. Spread your investment across different sectors to mitigate risk. The stock market is divided into 11 market sectors based on the Global Industry Classification Standard or GICS. Examples of notable sectors are IT, finance, healthcare, consumer discretionary, communication services, industries, consumer staples, energy, utilities, materials, real estate. If we talk specifically about UAE, economic diversification efforts have accelerated growth in emergent areas such as tourism and hospitality, logistics, real estate, construction, finance, retail and e-commerce, healthcare, and oil and gas. So these are some sectors that can give you good returns. Third point to keep in mind before starting investment in stock market is risk management. Only invest money you can afford to lose and consider using stop loss orders to protect your investments. A stop loss order is an order placed with a broker to buy or sell a specific stock once the stock reaches a certain price. As it's clear by its name, a stop loss is designed to limit an investor's loss. If we talk a little bit about what is risk management, what is risk? A risk is an uncertainty that could have a negative effect on your financial welfare. For example, a change in market condition, for example, a launch of a new business area in a company or merger of two companies. All such events can increase or decrease the value of your investment. Such market condition is a risk. Other type of risk is liquidity risk. By this it means how easy or hard you can convert your investment into cash. Money market fund is the best investment in terms of liquid investment. A money market fund is a mutual fund that invests in short term. Emirates Islamic Money Market Fund is a Sharia compliant money market fund. Other risk factor is concentration risk. It simply means what is the spread in investment. If all your money is in a single stock, the greater the risk you take. Now, if you are looking to invest in the stock market here in Abu Dhabi, you need to obtain a National Investor Number or NIN. Here's how you can get one. An easiest way to obtain an NIN from ADX is to do it online. However, you can personally visit the ADX office with your documents and receive the NIN for free. ADX operates 3 offices. The main branch is in Abu Dhabi, with the second one is in Al Ain and the third is in Sharjah. However, the most convenient way to obtain NIN is through ADX Shahmi app, which has a link on its website. Basic personal information will be requested to sign into the app and an NIN will be provided using the UAE Pass. Now, if you look at the documents required to issue an NIN number, you must have an original Emirates ID. This is for UAE citizens and residents. And if you are not residing in the Emirates, then a passport and ID card for foreigners will be required. International bank account number, IBAN letter. IBAN letter will be required providing that the bank account is solely in the name of the applicant and not a joint bank account. Once you have your NIN, the next step is choosing and appointing a broker. To select a broker, you can review the official ADX website. From there, you can choose a licensed brokerage firm from the list provided. In conclusion, while saving money is essential, it's not enough to secure your financial future in the UAE. A sound investment strategy, particularly in the stock market, can help you grow your wealth and beat inflation. Just remember to take precautions and get your national investor number to start investing in Abu Dhabi. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching. Take care. Now you can watch this video or this video for more financial information.